I do have a big announcement today. I just had a total brain fart. Do you guys know how to fold fitted sheets? Good morning, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed my last video. I tried a vlog style video and today I'm basically going to reset my apartment. I have a guest coming over tonight and it's my little cousin. He's gonna stay here for a couple weeks, so we need to move things around, and I actually made some room in the primary bedroom. That way I can put my things back there, free up the space in the guest bedroom and guest bathroom and move things around. So we're gonna be in the primary bedroom. My little cousin is gonna be in the guest bedroom, so I just want to make sure that he's gonna have a lot of room over there. I do have a big announcement today. At the end of this month, we're actually moving apartments. So I am gonna be going through the process of moving. It's always a very stressful process, and I will also film that process. I will tell you a little more about the move in future videos. But for now, let's focus on basically moving things around in the apartment for my cousin. Start the music. So we're back in the primary bedroom. I did make some room here so I could have my things in this closet. I don't think I'm gonna touch any of this linen here. It's pretty organized and I don't need that extra room here. I don't need these shelves because I've got my chest of drawer here that I can put my things in, no problem. So let's hang the clothes. It's already sort of organized. There's nothing I need to do really. I just had a total brain fart because I don't need this thing here for my underwear because I have my chest of drawer in the primary bedroom. So I'm just gonna move this. I was like, there's no room. So I'm gonna move this out and that way I can hang more stuff. Okay, let's tackle the chest of drawers now. So now I've got more room to put these things back. I just rearranged by how much I use the items basically. So on the far left is the gowns and the belts that I don't use very often. Far right is my skirts that I wear almost every day. And then in the middle it's like a bunch of tops and dresses that are great for everyday wear. Do you guys know how to fold fitted sheets? You take two corners, kind of go over one corner in your hand. So now you have a nice angle on one side. You go on the other side of the sheet, grab the other two corners. So this is what it should look like. You basically have the sheet folded in half with the corners inside of one another here. I guess what I typically do, I take this corner and I put it around the other ones, inside the other ones. So now the sheet is folded twice over, like so. And now it's completely flat. am most likely gonna sell this bed frame and this mattress, although I don't think anyone buys mattress secondhand, which is unfortunate because I don't have any pets. It's a smoke-free house. The mattress is in really good condition. I didn't buy it a long time ago, so I hope it's not gonna go. Maybe I can donate it instead of just putting it on the curbside. That kind of hurts my soul because it's such a waste. But anyways, I'm most likely gonna sell the bed frame. So I figured, since I'm redoing the bed, let me take the pictures of the bed frame without the mattress on, and that way I can have it ready to go. Start preparing the move and everything I need to sell. This bed was intended for the other bedroom that's bigger, but I decided to actually have my office in the larger room because I was going to use it all the time, and this guest bedroom was not going to be used all the time. So if I had to redo it, I would have picked a smaller bed for this tiny bedroom, but I had the bed already, and what else do you need in a guest bedroom but a bed? This is not sponsored, by the way, but what I like with Brooklinen is that they have a tag that says short side versus long side, so when you make the bed for the fitted sheet, it's actually really convenient. I'm actually not gonna put the duvet on this bed here because it is June, it is very hot in New York, and my cousin is like me, European. And typically in the summertime, we don't blast AC. We just don't use a duvet in the summertime. So, well, not everyone, but that's typically the move for European. That's not uncommon, let's put it this way. So why would you have a duvet in the middle of the summer? Basically just use sheets. We can sleep with the windows open at night when it's nice and cool, and I think that's fine. I am done with the bedroom. I moved the desk that was in the primary bedroom back to the guest bedroom because I want my cousin to have a little desk, although there are not a lot of room, so I'm not sure about that. But at least for the bedrooms, it's all good. The bedroom is done. I am now going to be moving my things out of the guest bedroom for him to have everything he needs, and I'll be using the primary bathroom. And right before I tackle the bathroom, look at these cute little addition to the apartment. What a very cute design. It's from a local artist here in Brooklyn. I really love them. They're so cute. I forgot to film an outro for this video, but I hope you enjoyed this short and sweet video, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next one. We will move out of my apartment. My goal is to share my best tips for a smooth and easy move. Hit subscribe so you won't miss my future uploads, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!